Go to the smartboard login page and log in with your credentials. If you're unsure whether it's your email or single sign-on, contact your administrator. As vehicles arrive in the parking lot for pickup, their hanger IDs will be recorded and updated to your smartboards in real time. That way you know which students to send. When you look at classrooms on the top left, make sure that only your classroom and not all is selected. You're wanting to look at the classrooms that you're responsible for and not the entire school. Once the drop-down has selected only the room or rooms that you're responsible for, you're ready to go. Here you can toggle night mode on and off, as well as turn the notifications on and off. When a student is ready to be sent from your classroom, click Depart and send them to their pickup location. If you need to undo this action, or if you want to see all of your students who have departed, click on Departed. Once you undo the action, the student will go back into your active students until they are ready for departure.